A chart as well for Nykaa, which I think puts all of this price action since listing into context. This is interesting because it's similar to what we put out in terms of Policy Bazaar. I mean, it's the same trend line from the highs when right after listing for Policy Bazaar, and this is this one for Nykaa. You can look at that, right? This is basically all the way from December of 2021. The stock listed listed on November 10th, November 2021. So exactly a month after it made a high, which was closer to about 430 or so, adjusted, of course. After that, it's basically just a one-way downward kind of slide. There were multiple attempts to take this out around April of 2022, the first touch point. Then, it spent a lot of time treading water around this trend line, between August of 22 all the way to October of 22. I mean, but never really got out of this sort of range conclusively, as you can see. There was one brief attempt. I mean, this perhaps the only meaningful attempt when the stock traded above this. That was, on the 11th of November, it broke out. It made a high of about 224, but then promptly 2 days later fell under it and has been under it ever since. We are coming up to this level once again. Let's see if we get a higher start. But basically, the level to watch here is, about 157, 158-ish. I mean, if you get a solid close above it, I mean, I guess we can talk more in terms of what the stock can do. But otherwise, it's got to get out from under this trend line, which has been in place pretty much from the word go listing in 2021.
Okay, so let's keep an eye out on Nykaa. That will react, of course, to its numbers as well. But just a couple of seconds left before the markets open for the day. And looks like there's going to be a positive opening. The Nifty